Dan Willis here, and we're talking about some credit repair, and we're talking about some of the truths, some of the laws, and what's really legal. In the first place we want to hit on is just some of the causes is a divorce, job loss, health crisis. These are like the three most common causes. And here's the deal. A lot of pundits and people you even see on TV, government agencies, they all say that bad credit is a brick wall, 7 years tall, and 3 credit bureaus deep. And let me go ahead and give credit. That quote's out of Credit Revolution book. I just thought that was funny. 7 years tall, 3 credit bureaus deep. But here's the facts. Even people on TV claim this. I've seen it a number of times, and it's nauseating. But the fact is, you're going to have errors, mistakes. It is so easy for there to be a mistaken item, negative item, get placed on your credit report. And not to mention all the questionable information, such as disputed items. And here's the real thing that's hard to understand, because government agencies, the pundits on TV, everybody and their mother just says the only answer to bad credit is to just wait time. That's the only way to get anything to come off your credit report. And that is the most it's blasphemy. It is totally blasphemy. Because here's the deal. Just as an example, my brother is an attorney. And attorneys, and not to mention a number of other careers, professions, but to be an attorney, you have to fix your credit. Your credit has to be spotless before you can be licensed. My brother ran track in college, comes from a lower middle class home whose family moved away from where he was going to school. He didn't have perfect credit. He had bad credit. He tells stories of having to go and take groceries back when he was in undergrad because his credit card was denied while he was running track. You know, you can fix your credit. It's not this deep, dark hole where there's no light. There's a number of things you can do. Do not listen to this BS out there about having to just wait 7 years. That is totally false. And the reason that you hear that so much is because the 3 credit bureaus, they only spend money that is potentially profits when they investigate anyone's dispute, whether it be a legitimate dispute or a totally false dispute. And here's the last thing we're going to mention. Every single law, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, that's the FCRA, the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, the FDCPA, and a whole bunch more are all created for you, the consumer, to protect you from these big corporations, the credit bureaus, collection agencies. They're there for you, the consumer, the little guy. So don't listen. I don't understand how government agencies and these people on TV say you have to just wait 7 years, because it's totally false. There's a whole bunch of things you can do. This is Dan Willis. I assure you, you don't just have to live with it. There's a lot of people that have done this, and people do it every single day. Please check out some more videos. Please visit my website. Link in the description below. Also, link over to another article with some more helpful tips. We've got a free report we're giving away, the 7 simple steps to clean your credit. Again, that's available at yourbadcreditcard.net. Link in the description below. Have a fantastic afternoon, and looking forward to talking to you again soon.